Hello again, everyone. It's Vince4 from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 9th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, what a day. Worst day since 2008 for the equity markets. It started overnight where the Nikkei 225 in Japan finished lower by 5%. The FTSE 100 in the UK finished down 7.5%, and that followed through here in the U.S. And by the end of it, the Dow, the Dow Jones was lower by 2,013 points. That is 7.8% lower. We actually hit the circuit breaker that got triggered at 7%. When we were down 7%, trading was halted for 15 minutes. And then we kind of bounced from there, but then dropped into the close. The S&P 500 down 225 points. That's 7.6%. The nasdaq down 624 points, or 7.29%. And the Russell 2000 was lower by 135 points, or 9.37%. The bond market soaring here early in the day, pulling back by the end of it, but the yield on the 10-year note is now at 0.55. We actually were below 0.4 at one point. Crude oil, which really was the story of the day and one of the main reasons why we saw such a big drop, it finished lower by 10.15, or 25% lower. This has to do with the price war going on between Saudi Arabia and Russia. And no deal after that OPEC meeting last week. Gold hanging in there. Didn't really soar, but did finish higher today by about 0.2%. The dollar, though, continues to fall. So here we are, and certainly not looking good here. We did trip that low from last week. Not a good sign at all. We should continue to go lower. Keep an eye out and a near open for any news coming out of the Fed or the Trump administration with regards to potential stimulus measures that they may take overnight to try to stop the bleeding here. But otherwise, from a technical level, unfortunately, this doesn't look to be over yet. Looks like we could be going much, much lower. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.